When it comes to investing into stock market, we have two options. The first one is direct stock. Second one is you can invest via mutual fund. Many retail investors, they are confused about whether to invest in a stocks or whether to invest via mutual fund. Friends, there is no fixed formula for it. Each option has got its own advantage and disadvantage. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you'll be getting a lot more update with regards to investment. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about what is difference between stocks and mutual fund. So you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. Friends, first we will start with a mutual fund. So when it comes to mutual fund, let's say for example, you want to travel from Bangalore to Mysore, you have a car, but you don't know the driving. In that situation, what you can do, you can hire one driver so that you can reach from Bangalore to Mysore. In the same way, when it comes to investing into stock market, you require a lot of knowledge, skill, time and effort. If you don't have that one, you can hire an expert. So in a mutual fund, the mutual funds are managed by the professionals, experts. They will be having 10-15 years of experience. You can use that experience to investing into equity market. Friends, now we will understand benefits of investing into mutual fund. The first one is professional management. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers, experts. They will be having 10-15 years of experience in the industry. So they will be having a team so that they can track every market, they can track every stocks. Along with that, when they buy and sell the stocks, obviously they will add some value to our portfolio. The first benefit is professional management. It is very difficult with the retail investors. The second one is the diversification. When you invest in a mutual fund, if you invest a small amount also, your amount will be diversified into across the industry, including banking, finance, IT, pharma. Your money will be invested into across the industry, across the sector. Along with that, your money will be invested into across the market capitalization, including large cap, mid cap and small cap. It is not possible with the retail investors. The third benefit is you can start your mutual fund investment journey with minimum 500 also. Many retail investors, they will not invest into equity market. They feel that we require a lot of money. So that's the reason they will not invest. But when it comes to investing into mutual fund, you can start your investment journey as minimum as 500. That is the biggest benefit. Friends, now we will discuss more about direct stocks. If you want to invest in a direct stock, you should have a right knowledge. You should have right skill, you should have time and effort to pick the right stock. If you pick the right stock, it can generate you multi-bagger return. But if you pick a wrong stock, it can destroy your wealth. That's the reason before investing into any direct stock, you should have a right knowledge and skill. When it comes to investing into direct stock, whenever you want to buy, you can buy. Whenever you want to sell, you can sell it out. But when it comes to mutual fund, it is not like that. This stock selection is where everything will be taken care by the fund manager. Friends, if you conclude, if you have a right knowledge, if you have a right skill, and if you have enough time to select the right stock, then you can invest into direct stock. If you don't have knowledge, skill and time, so investing into mutual fund is one of the best option. So along with that, if you have a particular goal, it can be retirement, child marriage, education. So for that, so investing via mutual fund is one of the best option. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you.